Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about the Abel's formula related to Wronskian. Uh, in our previous lecture, we already learned about the Wronskian and some properties of Wronskians and some example of Wronskian. In this lecture, we will be learn about the Abel formula and which is a shortcut. Uh, which is a shortcut to find the Wronskian between an interval. In this type of formula, let we have two function f1 and f2. Let we have two function f1 and f2, which is the function are the coefficients of second order uh, second order differential equation. F1 and F2 are the functions of the coefficients of the second order differential equation. This differential equation is y double dash plus f1x y dash plus f2x yx. This is the coefficient of this. This is the coefficient of yx. And both are the function are defined in this interval and also continuous on an interval I. And let the solution of the differential equations are phi 1 and phi 2. Okay, are linearly independent solution of the differential equation existing on the interval I. Okay, and then the Wronskian of the given solution phi 1 and phi 2 between this complete interval equal to e to the power minus x naught to x f1 x dx and Wronskian at the initial point x naught. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें क्या होगा कि आपके पास एक लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होगी. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि सेकेंड ऑर्डर की हो, थर्ड ऑर्डर की भी हो सकती है, फोर्थ ऑर्डर एंड nth ऑर्डर. उसमें फर्स्ट टर्म को छोड़ के सेकेंड टर्म में जो फंक्शन होगा वो f1x होगा. उसके बाद जो फंक्शन होगा f2x होगा. और अगर उसके आंसर लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं, अगर उसके वन और मोर देन वन आंसर लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं किसी एक इंटरवल आई में, तो सिंपल सा लॉजिक है कि उस पूरे इंटरवल में जो Wronskian होगा e टू द पावर माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x नॉट टू x f1 x dx Wronskian ऑफ एट द इनिशियल पॉइंट x नॉट पे होगा. ठीक है, हम क्या करेंगे, पहले किसी एक पॉइंट पे Wronskian निकालेंगे, इनिशियल पॉइंट पर Wronskian निकालेंगे, और जो Wronskian इनिशियल पॉइंट पे आएगा उस Wronskian को इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और e टू द पावर समथिंग उसका आंसर आएगा. ओके, सो द एग्जांपल इज टू शो दैट द सॉल्यूशन phi 1x equal to this, phi 2x equal to this and phi 3x equal to this. We have three solution of the differential equation. Suppose that differential equation is this, and when we solve this differential equation, then the complementary function of this differential equation is c1 e to the power 2x plus c2x e to the power 2x plus c3x square e to the power 2x. This is the complementary function of this differential equation. According to the complementary function, we have the three solution of the differential equations are, one is this, other is this and next is this. Okay, हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है कि आपके पास इसके सॉल्यूशन ये तीनों हैं और हमें ये दिखाना है कि ये तीनों लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट है और हमें Wronskian निकालना है इस इंटरवल में इन सॉल्यूशंस का. ओके, तो सबसे पहले तो Wronskian इस सॉल्यूशन का होगा. अगर आप डायरेक्ट इसको सॉल्व नहीं करना चाह रहे और आंसर निकालना चाह रहे हैं, देन द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज, इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन क्या आएगा, दिस इज द m स्क्वायर, द ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन इज m स्क्वायर माइनस m क्यूब माइनस 6m स्क्वायर प्लस 12m and minus 8 equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation of this differential equation, and we can easily simplify this differential equation. because m equal to 2 satisfy this differential equation. M equal to 2 satisfy this differential equation. M equal to 2, m equal to 2, this is 8 minus 6 into 4 plus 12 into 2 minus 8. Then we can cancel out this. This is minus 24 plus 24. This is equal to 0. It means m equal to 2 is the root of this equation. Okay. Similarly, we can find out the second root of this equation. M equal to 2 is the root of this equation. It means m minus 1, m minus 2 is a factor of this equation. Similarly, we can find out the second root and third root. And in this example, we have this is the expansion of m minus 2 to the power 3. m cube minus 2 to the power 3, 2 cube plus minus 3ab square and plus 3a square b. So this is the root of this equation. So we have the three equal roots of this equation. So the complementary function of this equation is c1 e to the power the complementary function is c1 plus c2x plus c3x square e to the power 2x. It means c1 e to the power 2x plus c2x e to the power 2x plus c3x square e to the power 2x. Okay, we have three solution. We have the three function. We have the three solution 1, 2 and 3, which are the phi 1, phi 2 and phi 3, which are the solution of this equation. Our question is show that these solutions are linearly independent and also find the Wronskian between the interval this. So the Wronskian of this is the first function, second function, third function, first derivative of the function, second derivative of the function, third derivative of the function, derivative of this, first derivative of this, first derivative of this, then derivative of this is this, derivative of this and derivative of this. Okay, now this the determinant is very complicated. For finding the answer of this determinant, we can take the initial point x naught equal to 0. So at the x naught equal to 0, the answer of this is we can put at the place of x equal to 0. So x to the e to the power 0 equal to 1. This is 0, 0 into something, 0, 0. Similarly, this is 2, this is 1 and 0, 4, 4 and 2. So this is a determinant. When we simplify this determinant, the answer of this determinant is 2. Okay. Now the Wronskian at x equal to x naught equal to 0 equal to 2. Okay. So the complete answer and the complete Wronskian of this question is the complete Wronskian of at phi 1, phi 2, phi 3 in the interval I equal to e to the power minus integration x naught is 0 to 1, x naught 0 to 1, f1x, we have the f1x is minus 6 f1x and dx. Okay, f1x and dx, and Wronskian at the origin into Wronskian at the origin is 2. Then the answer of this is minus integration of minus plus, and this is the integration of 0 to 1 6 dx, and this is 2. Then it is e to the power 2 and 6x multiply 6x, and it is e to the power 12x. Okay, so the complete Wronskian of this question is e to the power 12x. Okay, so this is the method for finding the Wronskian between an interval, and this method is known as Abel formula and Abel method for finding the Wronskian. Okay, student. So this is in our next lecture we will learn another example. Okay, Thank you.